Welcome to our kitchen showdown, where we compare two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG and the Antarctic Star. Both machines promise quick ice production, but how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and usability, helping you decide which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Let's start with ice production speed. The SMUG Countertop Ice Maker boasts an impressive capability of producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it a great choice for those who need ice quickly. In comparison, the Antarctic Star produces 8 ice cubes in the same time frame. While both machines are efficient, the SMUG takes the lead with 1 extra cube, which can make a difference during parties or gatherings. Next, let's discuss portability. The SMUG Countertop Ice Maker features a convenient handle, making it easy to transport to various locations like parties or camping trips. On the other hand, the Antarctic Star is designed to be compact and lightweight, which also enhances its portability. Both machines are designed for easy movement, but the handle on the SMUG gives it an edge for those who prioritize ease of transport. Finally, let's look at the cleaning features. The SMUG Countertop Ice Maker comes with an auto-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who want to save time and effort. In contrast, the Antarctic Star requires manual cleaning, which may be less convenient for some users. If ease of maintenance is a priority for you, the SMUG might be the better option. In conclusion, both the SMUG and Antarctic Star countertop ice makers offer great features for ice production. The SMUG stands out with its faster ice production, portability with a handle, and auto-cleaning function, making it a strong contender for anyone in need of a reliable ice maker. On the other hand, the Antarctic Star is also a solid choice, especially for those who prefer a compact design. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews.